Good afternoon, boys and girls.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, take your seats. Now, let's begin our lesson with this affirmation. Look at the board, please.
Repeat these affirmations before you start your day.
I am smart. I am smart.
I am special.
I am special.
I am a good friend.
I am a good friend.
I am loved. I am confidence.
I am confident.
I am strong.
I am strong.
I am intelligent.
I am intelligent.
I am brave.
I am brave.
I am positive.
I am positive.
I am important.
I am important.
I can learn anything.
I can learn anything.
Okay, very good. Clap your hands.
Yes.
Well done. Now, children, today we are going to check your home task. Yes? Okay. Now, match the pictures with words. If you find correctly, I'll give you 1 point, okay?
Yes.
Now, let's begin. And first, okay, who can? Okay, you come here. Aknazar. Find juice. Yes. Okay. Is he right? Is he right? Yes. Okay. Okay. Take your seats. Very good. Come on. What is it? Water. Is he right?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Take your seats. Okay. The next you come on, Tanshopan. What is it? Bread. Yes. Okay. Is she right? Yes. Okay. Very good. Take your seats. Come on, Yeltenas. Okay. Is she right? Yes. What is it? Fish. Okay. Take. Okay. Very good. Back. Come on. What is it? Carrot, yes? Is he right? Yes. Okay, very good. Take your seat. Let's look at the video.
Hello, friend.
Let's look at the video, children.
Let's learn new words and phrases. Favorite. Favorite.
Favorite. Sifte.
My favorite food is beşbarmak. What is your favorite food?
Yes. What is your favorite food? Senin suyukta tağamın qanday? Favorite. Qarash bala. Favorite. Suyukta. What is your favorite food? What is a food? Food. Tağam, ya? What is your favorite food? Senin suyukta tağamın ne deydi? Bunun aldığında marka etti ya. My favorite food is ne dedi? Beşbarmak. Okay. What is your favorite food? Okay, very good. Bauerschanzkind, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is yogurt.
Yogurt. Okay, very good. Please. What is your
My
favorite food?
favorite food is meat.
Meat. Okay. You can ask what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is sandwich.
Okay, very good. Now look at.
What is your favorite food? I like fish. I like fish.
I like.
I don't like tea.
I don't like tea. Yes. Now, children, I like fish.
I don't.
Is it? I like fish. I don't like tea. Okay.
Like tea. Well done.
Okay. Well,
Thank you.
Very good. Now, children, Okay, then next, look at here. I like fish, but I don't like rice. I like fish, but I don't like rice. Yes? Look at here. But I don't like rice. Okay, now look at here. Open your copybooks. Open your copybooks. Write down today's date and write down new words and these examples. Okay, on your copybooks. Let's begin. Open. Write down. Let's begin. Okay, now children, open your books at page 50. Open your books at page 50. Exercise 2. We have text. Okay, who wants answer? Please, let's start. Sabina.
I like meat and rice. My
Favorite.
food is yogurt. What is your favorite food, Zara?
What's your favorite food, Zara? Yes, okay. The next, you can ask.
My favorite food is fish. I like rice, but I don't like meat.
Okay, very good, very good. Tamasha. Now I'll give you cards, and your task is read and match. Okay, Sabina or Zara. Children, you must write Sabina or Zara. Okay. I'll give you 2 minutes and I'll give you cards. Read the text and match the names with sentence. If you find correctly, I'll give you 4 points, okay? Have you finished? Yes. Okay, very good. You? Have you finished? Okay, very good. Now, Bhaskar, please, first sentence, read.
I don't like meat, Zara.
I don't like Miss Zara. Is she right? Yes, okay, very good. You please the second.
My favorite food is yogurt. Sabina.
Is she right?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. 4 points and you 4 points. Okay, you please.
My favorite food is fish, Zara.
Is she right?
Yes.
Okay, and you?
I like meat and rice.
I like meat and rice. Yes, very good. Okay, clap your hands, children. Okay, children, let's sing a song. Let's start. What do you have for breakfast? I have meat. I have carrot. What do you have for breakfast? I have juice. I drink tea. What do you have for breakfast? I have fish. I have yogurt. What do you have for breakfast? I have rice. I have bread. Now let's play the game with ball, okay? Choose the correct word and or but. Let's begin. Now, who wants? Come on, Nirtinas. Now let's. Okay, well done. Read your sentence.
I like hamburgers.
I like
chips.
tomatoes.
I like potatoes.
And okay, well done, very good. Take your seats, come on.
I like pizza. I don't like chicken.
What word? And but, yes, okay, very good. Very good, take. Very good. Who wants Bauerschank?
I like rice.
Rice.
I don't like
Beans. But, okay. Very good. Okay, the next is. Who wants? Come on.
I like bananas. I don't like oranges.
But, very good. I like bananas, but I don't like oranges. Yes? Okay. Next is. Who wants? Come on.
I like peppers. I like carrots. And
And told you which food?
I like
Peppers.
peppers, and I like carrots.
Carrots. Okay, very good. Very good. Now in groups.
I like milk. I don't like soup.
I like milk. I don't like soup. And or but. But. Okay. Very good. Well done. Okay, children. Now I'll give you cards. You must complete the sentence with and or but. Okay. Now let's start. I'll give you 3 minutes. Okay, if you have finished, let's check. Ready?
I like carrots and
Carrots. Read once more.
I don't
No, read once more. I like.
I like carrots and eggs.
And eggs. Okay. Now give. Take. You please.
I don't like juice, but I like hot chocolate.
Okay. Now you please, Tashka.
I don't like meat and tea.
Okay, very good. You please.
I like meat, but I don't like fish.
Okay, very good. Now look at the board. Let's check. Let's check your answers. The first is and. Harams. The second is but. The third is and the fourth is but. Let's check. Okay. Now the next is now children. The next is our group work. Our group work. I'll give you papers and you must make a sentence, okay? And write down on the board, okay? This is your group work. Your group work, okay? Let's begin. And then yours, the group work. Let's begin. Keep silent. Keep silent. Algeria. Keep silent. down, boys and girls. Very good. Clap your hands for the first group. Okay, good job. Now, children, do you understand the word but and favorite? Do you understand? Yes. Okay. Now, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is meat.
Meat. Okay. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food carrot.
My favorite food is
My favorite food is carrot.
carrot. Okay. You please.
My favorite food is fish.
Fish. Okay. Good. You please.
My favorite food is bread.
Bread. Okay. Now, children, give me one sentence using but. But. You please.
I like fish.
But.
But I don't like carrot.
Okay. Very good. You please.
I like rice, but I don't like fish.
Okay. Very good. Almira.
I like ice cream, but I don't like grapes.
Grapes. Okay. Very good. You please.
I like peach, but I don't like ice cream.
Very good. Okay. And now, children, look at the board. This is our feedback. If you understand the lesson, you choose the green color. Okay. If you don't understand, you must choose red color. But if you need help, you must choose the yellow color. Okay. Now, come on. Come please. Okay. Okay, very good. Wow, it's very good, children. You are all of the children choose the green color. Yes.
Yes.
Our lesson is very good for you. Yes, children. Okay, thank you for the lesson, children. Now all of you stand up. Our lesson is over. Thank you for the lesson. Goodbye.